Hello everyone and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today's video isn't a tutorial, it's just a show and tell and a bit of a flip through of a journal that I've recently finished. I took part in a challenge that Natalie from LineDotArrow was hosting on her Facebook group called LineDotArrow. She is a designer. She has an Etsy shop by the same name. I will put the links to both her Facebook group and her Etsy shop down below. And last month in the Facebook group, she had a challenge where if you purchased a particular kit and made something from it, it could be absolutely anything. I chose to make a journal. It was the envelope folio with the journal tucked inside. So if you've seen my previous videos, you've probably seen that one. And then I did a tutorial on how to make it. This month she actually had two challenges running. One where you purchase the kit and make something from it, and another where you were given tag printables for you to then embellish however you like. I did both. My tags are in here, so as I go through I will show you those as well. So I did take part in both challenges. I absolutely love this Botanical Journey kit. It is absolutely beautiful. This journal, unlike my last envelope folio, is a lot more simple. It certainly hasn't got all of the flips and tucks that the last one did, and that's purely because I am going away next week to somewhere called Centre Park. So if you're familiar with Centre Parks, it's like a wooded retreat. I'm only there for a week, so I just wanted a smallish journal where I could kind of just jot down my thoughts, write about what's going on, save anything that needs to be saved in here. I am going with my husband and my daughter, so again I want to take photos and be able to record as much as I can. So I've made a small simple journal just so I could do lots of journaling while I'm there. Right, let's take you on a little tour. So you can already see the gorgeous paper on the front. I've done a little bit of embellishing up in the top corner, so this is part of one of the pages. Actually, I just fussy cut the flowers out. Then this plate behind is from the fussy cuts in the kit. Then I've just used a bit of cheesecloth and a bit of washi tape that I had to just embellish it further. Then down the bottom the same, so you can see a teeny bit of my washi tape poking out. This gorgeous fox on this bingo design, and then this leaf. Oh, that's not supposed to be there. For the spine, I used this lovely ruffled green fabric. It's actually from a cushion cover that I had that was kind of all tatty and falling apart. I have this gorgeous little dangle up here. Probably can't see that very well in the light, but it's like a butterfly and a padlock, and I actually got this recently in a swap that I took part in. So if you're watching, Mandy, thank you very much. They look gorgeous on my journal. And then this is the back. I absolutely love this image. I love the fact that it looks like something's been washi taped on the page already without me having to do anything. And again, just a little bit of my washi tape just to add to it. It is only one signature, so as I said, it's not particularly chunky because I'm only going away for a week. So I just have a ribbon closure. So when you open that up, I then have a pocket at the front, which just at the moment has some tea-dyed papers in. I've got some lovely ruffles, so it's the same material as the spine I've used as tabs, and then again just attached some little gems, which I also got from the lovely Mandy, so thank you again, Mandy. In some of the corners, just to make them a little bit more interesting, I have punched out, I've got dragonflies and some leaves punches, so I've done that in some of the corners just to add a bit of interest. As I said, this is a relatively naked journal because, like I said, I want to be able to record lots of things that we're doing. This is a coin envelope. It's empty at the moment, but has that beautiful design on. And then I've just clipped that over the top of the page. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. I love this paper. Really, really lovely. And again, another little tab. This fox on the bingo card again as a pocket, and then a journaling card. Does it go that way up? I think, yeah, with the B. I've just again kept it plain on the back to be able to write on. This is absolutely gorgeous. Love this page. How beautiful is that? I love that this kind of looks like a stamped frame. It's really, really pretty. Again, I've clipped one of these. This is one thing I really loved about this kit is Natalie has kind of resized these. I mean, they're different. They're different what's on them. So if I look back to this one's butterflies, but they're different butterflies to this one. But they're all different sizes, which is lovely because then you have a nice selection of different sizes that you want to write on. So again, I've got my little punch in the corner. And this one is a tag, but it's a trifold. So if I come to this page and take it off, so this is one of the tags that I have for the second challenge. So there was a set of 3 of these music sheets. They're faded, so that's why you can't see them very well. And then as you open it up, I've again just photocopied like a tea stained effect on the back. Just put some washi up the sides. I have left it blank because, like I said, obviously I want to do lots of journaling. And then all I've done on the front is just added again a little bit of the ruffles. This is one of the other base tags, so it looks a little bit like a Hessian material. And I've made that into a belly band so I can tuck some tea stained paper behind. I've embellished with some more of the fussy cuts from the kit, and then this front pocket, I hope you can see, is like an acetate sheet, so it's actually a lamination sheet with daisies inside. Thank you, Mandy, again, another one of Mandy's gifts to me in the swap. And then a journaling card which slots in there, and then that I just put on the side of my page, ready to be journaled in. There's one of my little leaf punches, another pocket with a journaling card, and then in the middle I've kind of kept my strings, and then I've attached a couple of green beads which possibly are also from Mandy. Another punch at the top, another one of these coin envelopes. Got a funny feeling I printed this one out twice because I did like this one. I have got another one in here that's a slightly different size, but I think I liked that pattern. So, and again, some of the ledger paper with this gorgeous print. Another pocket, this time with snails, and again blank on the back for writing. I love this butterfly on here as well, gorgeous. This one's the smaller one, so this is another coin envelope, but just a smaller one with that kind of floral pattern on. Isn't that stunning? I love that. That's so pretty. And then that's just clipped on the top. And isn't he cute? I love this hedgehog. So sweet. And I love all the flowers and things around the outside. And then again, another large journaling card. Plenty of space to be writing and sticking things in. Again, another little punch. This one actually came with a kit. This one wasn't part of the challenge, but I've done a similar thing. So this is a trifold. So again, it's blank there. Obviously that's journaling space. I absolutely love this design. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And the other side, I hope you can see it properly in the light, but it's supposed to look like envelopes. And I just thought that was amazing too. I really love it. So that's gone on here. Oh, before I click that on and cover up that page, have a little look at that side. Really, really beautiful. I love this ledger paper with that around the sides. It's really, really lovely. And then, yeah, that slots on the side. Again, clipped in. And this was my second tag from the tag challenge. So this one is actually an altered paper clip, so it does clip on. So I'll just take it off for the moment. So this was one of the base tags. So as you can see, it looks like corrugated card. So this was longer. I've just folded up the bottom to make this pocket. I've used some bits from the Botanical Journey's kit. And then obviously again added some of this green and some cheesecloth at the top just to add a little bit. And then this was the other part. So this is supposed to look like cheesecloth, this tag. I don't know if that shows up very well in this light. But again, I've added some cheesecloth of my own. Again, some of the green, some of that washi tape. And then this is one of the embellishments also from the kit. What I love about this is I've also included on the back, so obviously, like I said, this is a altered paper clip, but I've only glued the top section and down the bottom, so I also have a belly band with a little secret writing space, which I think is quite cute. Okay, and then that just clips back on the top there. Okay, and I've got my 2 leaves down there. Right, and then at the back I have a giant, and it is expandable, a giant pocket. So this is going to have all of my paperwork in, so I've got to print off all of my details and stuff and information ready for our trip away. So all of that's going to be tucked in the back there, so I know where everything is, all of our paperwork. So I wanted a nice deep pocket, so that's why I've kind of given it quite a good gusset there. And then I've got this laminated leaf inside, and then the beautiful papers coming through underneath. But I just thought that was really, really cool. So I don't know if you can see that very well, but the veins are showing through on the leaf there, which is just absolutely lovely. So yeah, I really love that big pocket at the back. I think that just really finishes off the journal. So as I said, I have kept it reasonably plain because I do want to do lots of recording while I'm away, lots of writing, sticking things in. So yeah, it's not quite as full and with all the flips and flaps of my last journal because I'm only away for a week, so I didn't want too much going on. Well, although this isn't quite the interesting journal as my last one, I hope that you still enjoyed the flip through and it's given you some inspiration, even if it's just to make a more basic one signature journal. I do like all of the embellishments on here. Like I said, I absolutely love these papers. Natalie's link will be below for the LineDotArrow Etsy shop if you want to go and have a look at this yourself. It is absolutely gorgeous. I've only used some of the kit in here because there was just so much. So if I show you, these are lots of the different sort of fussy cut bits that I haven't used yet. I've started trying to cut them out. How gorgeous is he? Loving this fox. Got little butterflies. Lots of like little cards that have different bits and pieces on. I just think these are so cute. So we've got snails, we've got leaves. What else have we got? What else have we got? Again, some like dragonflies, some flowers. There's also some different elements of different types of faux washi tape. I am taking this all with me because obviously my pages are blank. So as I'm journaling, I want to be decorating the pages. So I really need to invest or perhaps even make a pencil case for myself because at the moment, this is what I'm taking with me. So I have lots of different types of papers in here. I'm going to put my fussy cuts in a moment. I've got some washi stickers. I've got my glue stick. I've got some paper clips in there. I am taking my little mini printer with me. So I've got some rolls of paper also to take so I can stick in any pictures of things that I'm doing. So I am all set for my trip away, and I'm very excited to be using this kit as my journal to kind of record what's going on. But yeah, I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's not particularly chunky, there's not too much going on, it is relatively simple, but the kit is just stunning, and yeah, I'm so pleased with how this has turned out. So I'm really happy. It is for my use, so yeah, I'm sure that's all that counts. Well, I think I have rambled on enough about this, but like I said, I will have the links below for the LineDotArrow Etsy shop, so you can have a look at her kits. Natalie is an amazing designer. I will also put her Facebook group in here in case you want to join and join in with the challenges as well. I assume they're always monthly. I'm still reasonably new to the group. I've only done a couple of their challenges, but I have thoroughly enjoyed them. I really, like I said, love using her papers. They're absolutely gorgeous. So it's always great fun taking part in these challenges and using her kits. So yeah, those links will be down below. Before I sign off, I just want to give you a little bit of a heads up of what's coming up on my channel. So I recently made this altered book, which I have decorated and obviously created lots of pockets with bits that pop out. and a lot of people were asking if I would do a tutorial of how I put it together, which I'm absolutely happy to do. It was something that was kind of on my list anyway. I had great fun making this. I didn't think I'd enjoy an altered book, if I'm completely honest, but I did enjoy doing this one. So people have asked me to do an altered book, so that is the next thing on my list. I did recently pick up a couple of books that I think will be perfect for this, so you'll be seeing one of these being turned into my next altered book. So that's what's coming up. Well, I really hope that you found this video useful and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber, but you want to be to find out how to do the altered book and find out about any other crafty videos that I make, then make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell button. You can also find me on the other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Those links will be in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of the support that I get. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. See you later now. Bye bye.